Hi, I want to talk about the Syria's children which are living a living nightmare. Inside Syria, an estimated 7.5 million children are growing up knowing nothing but war. And across the Middle East, Eurasia, and Europe, really 2.5 million Syrian girls and boys are experiencing the stresses, the adversity and uncertainty of life as a refugee. And Syria has been a living nightmare for children and families tormented by 6 years of war and unimaginable hardship. It underscores how critical the situation is and how desperately help is needed. Thank you.